What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Avalanche coin AVAX on Coinbase. So in today's video we will show you how to buy those, and simply go to coinbase.com and log into your account. After you have logged in, you will arrive at this homepage. So for now, for the first step, we will click on buy and sell. After you have clicked that button, you will be redirected to the buying section or the selling section or the converting like swapping section. For now, we want to choose the asset we would like to buy, and that is AVAX, Avalanche. So we will tick in AVAX, and there it is. Click on the asset, and now you have selected it. If you would like to buy this coin, you simply can fill in the amount in euros or dollars, like the currency you are using on Coinbase. Let's say we would like to buy 150 euros of Avalanche. Now we have selected that, and then you can select your wallet which you would like to pay with. Now my wallet is the Euro wallet, so I will keep it on this, but if you need to use another wallet, then you can select it over here. For now, I don't have enough funds on my wallet. As you can see, you can buy up to €0. So I first have to top up my Euro wallet before I can buy it. But if you have enough funds on your wallet, then you can simply click on this button and it will say when you have enough funds, buy now. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers!